Welcome back, students. In this session we are going to learn how to type without looking on the keyboard. Okay, so to do that we are going to use the rapid typing 5. In the description I have given the link to download the rapid typing. Okay, so I'm going to just double click on that. Here we can see some basic portion of this. Here you can see that GUI of your keyboard. Let's learn first what is the meaning of this entire finger. So we can say this is the thumb, this is called the index finger, this is called middle finger, this is called ring finger, and this is called the little finger. Similarly it is right hand side. Now same for the left hand side. This is thumb, this is index finger, this is middle finger, this is in a ring finger, and this is little finger. Okay, now when you see on the keyboard, F and J is called the guiding keys. Okay, F and J, because our finger will be on A, S, D, F, means this little finger on A, ring finger on S, middle finger on D, and first finger on F. Similarly your first finger on J, K, L, and semicolon. Okay, so this way we can put this. Now how to arrange this? So this finger will cover all these orange sign keys. These all keys are going to be covered by this little finger. Okay, now if we talk about this ring finger, so ring finger will cover S, W, these two, means this, and at the back side X. Okay, similarly this middle finger will cover D, E, 3, and bottom C. Okay, similarly your first index finger will cover F, G, R, T, 4, 5, and below the row V and B. Getting? Similarly from right hand side, index finger will cover JH, UY, 7, 6, 7, and NM. Okay, so colors are you can see. Similarly this middle finger, right side middle finger will cover K, I, 8, and less than sign. Okay, and the last little finger will cover L, O, 9, and this part. Okay, and remaining those portion we can carry with the little finger also. Okay, so this is the positioning of our finger. Similarly you can say it is 0, 4, 5, 6, this 4, 1, 2, 3, and this. And thumb spacebar is key is going to used by the thumb key, and these this is called the home row. Okay, A, S, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, this is called the home row. This is called above the home row, and this is called the below the home row. Now try to put your finger on A, S, D, F, and then put from J, K, L, and semicolon. Okay, now try to press F from the keyboard. F, yes. Now space using the thumb. Now J, space, D, space, K, space, F. Then try to press all the key one by one. Okay, like this. Yes, I made a mistake. So what to do? I have to use backspace. So use backspace key and press K. Now this window will appear. It shows your tapping speed. Right now tapping speed is equals to 38 per WPM. WPM means word per minute, but it is not good. Minimum we require 50 or more. Okay, minimum 41 or more. So, and those who are professional, they can type 100 word, more than 100 word per minute. Okay, second is accuracy. Accuracy shows your mistakes, typing mistakes, that is called accuracy. Remember students, your speed can be compromised but accuracy should not. So your accuracy always should be 100%. Okay, and if you are not getting 100% accuracy, then you have to try it again. And same time, if your typing speed is less than 40, then again you have to try. So you have to check both it should be more than 41, and this should be more equals to 100 only. And if it is so, then you can carry next lesson, otherwise you have to try same. Get good? Okay. Strokes means what? Slow down means if you are going to slow down means 90%, means delay, you are delaying the type, press the key, that is called slow down. Okay, now if you want to do it again, then please try again and click go on. Okay, now we are going to do it same. So now here you can see typing speed is equals to 160 per minute, accuracy is 100%, and it is 90%. so it is good now, right? So we can click on go to on, so it will be next lesson. Now our fingers should be on same ASDF JKL semicolon. Now in this case we will put type S space L space A space semicolon like this. Okay, now in this case speed is 87 and accuracy is 100, so we can go next. Same, you can learn all the basics from lesson 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. All the lessons you can learn. After completion of each and every lessons, you have to maintain, in each lesson you have to maintain all that more than 41% word per minute and 100% accuracy. Then you can learn how to use the shift key. Okay, so these are the lesson for the shift key. Then after digits key, so to learn the numbers key, this is the number key, and to numeric keypad also is there. So this is all about the basic. Inside the 4 lessons are there. After basic you can click on the beginner also. In the beginner again different lessons are there. Okay, and if you want to select, instead of the W word per minute, you can change WCP, means character word, character CPM, character per minutes. Also it is keystroke per minute is there. Okay, if you don't want to, if you want to see speed word per minute, then you can word per minute, you can also check. So different options are there. Here accuracy character, accuracy keystrokes are there. If you want to put only error and word, error and characters, error and keystrokes, you can change it. So either you can change it also. Okay, similarly here you can also change it, all that advanced experience testing also. When you complete all the tasks, then you can perform, okay, step by step all that. And if you want to add another course, see it is beginner course is there, for example advanced course is there. Here it will get you the different lessons here, and also 1 2 3 17 lessons are there. Okay, but if you want to add your own course, okay, then you can click here, and in English, okay, you can add another course like this. Right click on this and click on the add, and you can create a new copy. Okay, and then you can create your own testing, right? So if you want to add your course, you can add also. So always focus on the introduction, do the typing ASDF JKL, okay, and put your finger on that every day. Minimum 30 to 40 minutes you have to do typing without looking on the keyboard. And if you do so, you can easily get the idea how to type the particular characters. So figure, I told you that which finger cover which key, okay, and how to delete. So we have backspace key and delete key on the keyboard, so using the finger we can do the same task. Okay students, so I hope you understood how to use this software. I have given download link in the description, download it and do the practice. Okay, so again one more thing is there, you have to remember the fingers name and arrange sitting place of the fingers on that ASDF and JKL and semicolon. Okay, so here this finger will cover entire row, this your ring finger will cover 2 W S and K, your middle finger will cover 3 E D and C, and your middle first finger will cover these 8 keys. Okay, similarly these keys, this finger index finger will cover 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8, and similarly 4 and remaining part by this little finger. Getting? So this way we can cover all the keyboards and its keys, and do the practice students. Okay.